Hey everyone, here we are, lesson 6, level 7, and I figured out what was happening with my image. What I do when I do these videos, I go through them sometimes one time and then just reset the version to go back to the beginning. And Tonka is climbing up next to me. But when I did that, it erased all of my work, even in level 6. So that's okay. I've gone back and set it up. So we're going to do set red to 0. So we're taking what we did in 6 and we are going to add to it. So we're going to do this part, and then we're also going to fill out the custom image part. So we are going to write the image filter method, and then we're going to use that method. So this is going to be a public void. I'm not returning anything, and I'm going to call mine no red, since that's essentially what it will do. It will do no red. And then I need to create a 2D array that contains pixel objects. So I will go pixel, and I will call this no red pixel because there will be no red pixels. And this is going to be equal to this will be what I get from this image here. Get pixel from the image. And so I've got that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to traverse the array. So for int row equals 0, the row is less than the no red pixel length. And I'm going to increment the row every time. And then I'm going to go through the columns. So for int column equals 0, the column is less than the no red pixels at index 0. And I want to increment the column every time. And what I want to do is I want to take this element, that no red pixel element, that is at this row and at this column, and I want to set the amount of red to be 0. And that is my method. Now let's go back over to the theater runner, and we're going to do essentially the same stuff we did up here, but now we're going to create a custom image object. So custom image is my custom image. And this is a new custom image. And I'm going to use the same thing I did above. So I'm going to use this Star Wars JPEG. And then I'm going to draw it. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing here. So I'm just going to grab that puppy, because actually everything is the same. Everything is the same. The only thing I'm doing is I'm not creating a new image. I'm just changing the color of the image. And probably what I should do up here is after I draw this first image, I should probably go images pause, and I'll pause for 3 seconds. So we'll draw this image, pause, and it's going to draw this image that has no red in it. So let's see what happens. So there's the first image. and 3 seconds. Oh, not my image, my custom image. We'll try this again. So 1, 2, 3. Why is it not changing? Huh. Oh, I didn't call the no red on it. So I failed to call the no red. So my custom image dot no red. And it did not like that. Why did it not like that? Oh, well, let's see. Well, let me try. Let me try this. Well, the my custom image, that I shouldn't need to do that because the my custom image, well, did not like that, did it? So there it goes. Wonder why I did not like having that down there. But I guess it needed to have this. So this took out the red. Got it. Okay. Now we could have some fun with this and do some other things. So play around with this. What if I set the red to 100? What if I set the red to 255? I wonder what would happen. So here's my original one, and then 3 seconds will go by, and then it will be a lot of red there. So anyway, just messing around. Just messing around. This is a lot of fun. I think it is. You might not think it is, but I think it is. So, and let's run the test and see if the test is good with it. It did not like it. Oh, because I didn't call it zero red. I called it no red. See, it's looking for a zero red. Like, oh, I should have called it zero red. It told me to call it zero red. I called it no red. So anyway, that's that.